Hey y'all, Stephanie Nash here, and I have partnered with Bloom, not only to give back to agriculture, but to our next generation farmers. I wouldn't trade this life for anything. It's the waking up early, the staying out late, praying for rain, and understanding where your food comes from. I always knew I wanted to come back to the dairy farm. I attended Fresno State for 3 years, then transferred to UT Knoxville. We have a unique story, my family and I. We moved from California to continue dairy farming, to continue our legacy of being able to grow and provide for the world. On a day-to-day basis, I wake up around 4 a.m. I start the milk for the babies, pasteurize it, put it into the bottles, drive on my Kubota little tractor to the barn, and hand out bottles and care for my animals. There's so many parts of the dairy industry that you could work on. You could be a breeder, you could be a milker, you could do the tractors growing the crops, but I really lean towards taking care of the babies because those are the first steps to their life, and I really enjoy being able to raise them. A couple years ago, I noticed there was a need for education, why we as farmers believe in agriculture in our industry, and how people that are not farmers can understand the importance of agriculture in rural communities. Last August, I started a series called The Life of a Farmer, showing the importance of the American farmer, but also family farms across the United States. Bloom and I sat down and we decided that we wanted to do some socks. They have done a lot of charities giving back to agriculture, and I knew that I wanted the sock design to be around the life of the farmer and telling the stories of family farms across the United States. Being able to partner with Bloom has been a huge opportunity for me to continue to spread the truth about agriculture and helping the family farmers.